So when your quads are ugly and dirty, okay, you get the water hot. Go on and run it under some water. Get it in there real good. Get it on that stack. Not too hot around the conformal coating, it might melt it off. Just go and give it a nice little rinse. Then you're going to want to pull out the bleach and going to give her a nice little hefty shot in there. Watch it, it might turn your motors from red to pink. Standoffs or mounts pink, so what's the fuck? It'll make a difference. Throw that bitch over, get her on the bottom real good. And you get some of this soap stuff here, put it on your little brush, and go on and get her good, you know what I mean? Get her in there, get her real good. Get all behind the ears, everything. Give her a good bath, like you give your kid, you know what I mean, when your kid was young. So you're gonna want it nice and, yeah, behind the ears, see what I mean? Get it all behind the ears. Make sure you get that soap all in there. I mean, you want everything in there. And then go on and give her another shot. And this kind of loosens it all up. Squish the truck, you know what I mean? Clean them rims up on that truck. But y'all, they know what I mean. Keep her clean, keep her coming back, right? So if you have followed them steps correctly as I showed you. Oh, we done flipped the camera around. What up? But if you follow this steps like I told you, you'll have a nice clean quad in the end. Beautiful. And then we're gonna go ahead and give it a blow job with this thing here. Ooh. 1875 kV. Get it in real good. Dry all the water up. Oh yeah, it's liking that. It's really enjoying it, I know. So when you're done, you have a nice clean quad like so. Then she goes on the bench for work. Fuck yeah!